how to clean a stainless steel sink. Start off by wetting the inside of the sink with warm water. Apply Barkeeper's Friend. Here you will need a silicone sponge, a small container with dish soap to remove any grease and food particles from the sink. I recommend a small brush to be able to reach in the drains and also the edges around the sink. This brush will help you remove any hard water buildups. At this time, I will scrub the faucet and remove any excessive dish soap. Now I dry off the sink with a microfiber towel. For the final touch, I apply a stainless steel polish. I thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tips and tricks on simple cleaning.